Moving to the next paragraph. This was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason by the white South African government. What he is doing treason, what it means treason in a glossary it is given. You can check that one, and means the Nelson Mandela, he is put forwarding his idea about democracy or how South Africa should be. The government is making the much trouble to the black people, so Nelson Mandela taken these steps, and he and the 7 other leaders, just remember Nelson Mandela and how many leaders, 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. What is apartheid we will explain. Before that, he and the 7 other major leaders, they become the sentenced to life imprisonment, means full time when they are dying up to that time, and we have seen that one 28 years he was in jail. And why the government done like that? He opposed the policy of the government, that is apartheid. Apartheid means making the we can see that one in next paragraph it is given, here it is given. And apartheid, the apartheid system was the particularly oppressive for the blacks. What they are doing, they are making the groups in the society, they are making groups in the society, that is white and black, like that. And the black people, they don't have freedom. They are getting trouble from the government. They are saying, like the government is saying like that, blacks should not come here, and they should not use the public places, like that. Many rules was there in the society. So Nelson Mandela and other 7 leaders, they stood against that. That's why what government done, they sent them out of the country. And he spent the next 28 years in South Africa most dreaded prison. The prison was not that much easy, and that is in Robben Island. That was, he was in dreaded means that much severe what we can say imprisonment he got from the government. And we are moving to the next paragraph. Okay, struggle against apartheid. The Nelson Mandela and his followers, what they are doing, they are struggling against apartheid. Apartheid should be stopped. Apartheid means the policy made by the government to segregate or discriminate the black people from the white. And apartheid was a name of system of racial discrimination unique to the South Africa. It was a special condition of South Africa, in that what is happening, they are making the racial discrimination according to the skin color. They are discriminating the people into different groups. The white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa. And who imposed? White Europeans. They are not Africans, they are from Europe, and they are white in color. That's why they imposed everything. Even when they came here in India, they said like that, we are illiterate, we don't know anything, and like that. During the 17th and 18th century, the trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force. From the South Africa or many countries, even American continent, even Asian continent, we can see what the European people done, they came for trade and they become the rulers in every continent. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa and become the local rulers, because specialty of South Africa with diamond and gold, like that. So many of the whites, they settled there itself, but here in India very few of them they settled here. But in South Africa many of them settled. I mean, so 1/4 of the population there was white. That many people they settled in Africa, and they become the rulers of Africa, local rulers. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color. This apartheid policy, again you want to continue in 10th standard, so be careful. In apartheid, how they are dividing the people? They are dividing the people and labeling them according to the base of their skin color, not because of their education, not because of their occupation. Here in India, what happened? We was making the discrimination, not like apartheid, but we was making the discrimination on the base of the job what our parents was doing, or according to our caste, like that, different things. The native people of South Africa are black in color and they made up about 3/4 of the population and were called blacks. The maximum population, 75% of the people, they are from South Africa itself, they are black in skin color, and then also they was called blacks. And besides these two groups, white group from European and blacks from Africa, then we can see another one group people, that is mixed races. And we can see that besides these two groups, there were people of mixed races who were called colored, and people who migrated from India, means not only India, from Asian continent, those who migrated to Africa, they was known as colored people. So we can see whites, blacks and colored, like that three groups. And the white rulers treated all non-whites as inferior. What is happening in the apartheid policy, they are thinking like that whites, they are only 1/4 of the population, not 1/4 also, less than 1/4 of the population. They are thinking like that they are the superior one, all others are inferior ones. And the non-whites did not have voting right also. They are not getting voting, so their representative won't be there in the council or parliament. And the apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. It is not only blacks and colored was getting oppression from this apartheid policy, and they were forbidden from living in white areas. They can't live where the whites are making houses, that area they can't make houses. That is the first point, how they are becoming oppressed in which area. Then they could work in white area if only they had a permit. If they are having permit, then only they can work in the white people where they are working, otherwise they can't work. Then in trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospital, schools and colleges, even libraries, cinema halls, everywhere they are having the separate area. It for some area it for blacks, and some other area it for blacks, like that separate area was there. And which area white people are using, that they black can't use, and which is meant for black, that white people can't use. And this was called segregation. What is knowing it? Segregation, making the separate, means in two groups, like that, white toilet, white train, white bus, and like that. And at the same time for whites, blacks also separate. They could not even visit the churches where the whites worship. The church in the they can't come together and pray. Even it was more or less same here in India, but we are not making like that much forcefully, not from outside. Here inside India itself, we had like some of the policies, not like, we can't say like that much separation, but outcast or untouchables was in this group. They can't come and enter in the upper class temples and other things. And blacks could not form the associations or protest against the terrible treatment. Even though they are getting that much a terrible situation, then also they can't speak out, or they can't express their views. And that for that, what they said, it is prohibited. They don't have any permission to make associations or organizations, or any protest they can't make. Even when India was Dalits was suffering, that time we had the permission to make our own organization. We can make any rallies, any protests like that. Then since 1950, the blacks, colored and the Indians fought against the apartheid system. Blacks and colored and Indians was fighting against 1950 onwards. They was fighting against this apartheid policy, and they got freedom from that 1994. Means near about 40 years or more than 40 years they they was continuously fighting against. And they launched a protest march and strikes. The African National Congress, like Indian National Congress, Africa also having the African National Congress. Please underline that one, African National Congress, ANC, was the umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of the segregation. So this association or the group, they are standing for the policy against the policy of the segregation, and this includes many workers union and the Communist Party. We know how the Communist Party is coming, started in Russia. Means it is starting from the European continent. It is reaching to the different parts of the world, and even we are having the influence of this communist party here in India also. CPI, CPIM, like that, two parties are there related to communist party. And we know our one of the neighboring state, China, they are following the communist government, and Russia also followed. When USSR was there, that time they was following the communist government. Now afterwards it is divided, and they made little bit changes in that. In Cuba they are following communist government, like that many countries are there. So like that in Africa also, South Africa also, they it spreaded the communist feeling, the idea of socialism and communism, and they are also having, we can see, communist party, and that they are also included in African National Congress. And many sensitive whites also joined in ANC to oppose apartheid and played a leading role in this struggle. Means the people, those who came from Europe and they settled there and they are educated and they understood this apartheid policy is not good. So the white people also joining with the African National Congress, and they are also fighting against the apartheid policy or segregation policy. And several countries denounced apartheid as unjust and racist. Many countries, not only here in America also, they had the problem, and like that many countries they said like that it is unjust, it is not according to the justice, and it is according to the it is developing racism in everywhere, like that. But the white racist government continued to rule by detaining, torturing and killing the thousands of the black and colored people. And the South African government was not ready to give freedom to the blacks and colored people. Instead of that, what they done, they was retaining them, they was giving maximum punishment to them, then torturing it, not only physical torturing, mental torturing, and even killing them and making them to be handicapped, like that. Many problems they suffered. And we can see the what all things we have discussed. The first we discussed about Nelson Mandela and his idea, and how many years he was in the prison, like that. Then struggle against apartheid, that we discussed, and what is apartheid and how it is spreaded in African continent, and those who are becoming the oppressed group, the blacks and the colored people, they are becoming the oppressed group. And the next stage, it is development of the African National Congress, in that not only blacks and colors, even some of the white people also joined with them and worked together for the independence of the black people, or against the segregation policy of the government, or against the apartheid policy of the government. Okay, we will continue in next video.